Hello, a quick health bit for all of you. You know, a healthy liver will never harbor any disease. And take it from me, it is for sure. Only a damaged liver or an altered liver can have problems. It starts with the fatty liver. A fatty liver, if it is not taken care of, it goes into becoming a fibrotic liver, and then it becomes a cirrhotic liver, and then you fail the livers. Any journey from being a normal liver to a damaged liver can have liver cancer. The reason is the cells die and the cells are reborn in the liver. Anywhere there is a death of a cell and rebirth of a new cell, the reborn new cell can always be an abnormal cell. That is when the cancers form. So make sure that your liver is healthy. It is not even fatty. Fatty liver is basically because of our lifestyle. And with more and more diabetic patients, hypertensive patients, obese patients with very bad lifestyle, eating out, less exercise, fatty liver is becoming more common, and so is liver cancer. Avoid fatty liver.